Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize 401k loans through Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize a 401k loan through Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and click on the Retirement tab. From the drop-down menu, select Loans and Withdrawals. Next, click on Request a Loan. You will be presented with options for different loan amounts and terms. Select the loan amount you wish to borrow. Read through the loan terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click Continue to proceed. You will now need to complete the loan application form. Fill out your personal information as required. Provide any necessary documentation about your current employment. Review the information you provided to ensure accuracy. After confirming that all details are correct, proceed to the next step. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can finalize your loan request. Submit the application by clicking on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation once your loan request is processed. Check your email for updates regarding your loan status. If you have any questions during this process, Fidelity's customer support is available to assist you. Your funds will typically be disbursed within a few business days after approval. Make sure to keep track of your loan repayment schedule. Understanding the repayment terms will help you manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.